You are already alive. You haven't moved in 3 years. You haven't had a single drop of water in 3 years. And you have never been stronger in your entire life. You are a cactus. And everything you think you know about survival, you learned it wrong. Because the most resilient living thing on this planet doesn't fight. It doesn't flee. It simply outlasts everything. 3 secrets nobody told you. The Sonoran Desert reaches 130 degrees Fahrenheit in summer. Nothing should live here. Nothing comfortable lives here. But you do. And you've been doing it for 200 years. In the next 4 minutes, you're going to discover 3 things that will permanently change how you see this planet. Secret 1, those spines on your body are not what anyone thinks they are. They are a 30 million year evolutionary masterpiece that modern engineers are desperately trying to copy. Secret 2, a coyote is about to make the last mistake of its morning, and you won't do a single thing to stop it. You won't have to. Secret 3, when the rain finally comes, once every 14 months, you will do something in 2 hours that takes humans an entire engineering project to replicate. Stay until the end. Because the final truth about who you really are will completely reframe the city built around you. Your spines are not spines. Look at what humans call your spines. They are not spines. They are your leaves. 30 million years ago, your ancestors made a decision no other plant dared to make. They eliminated every flat leaf surface, losing water to the desert heat. They compressed them, hardened them, sharpened them into something that does 3 jobs simultaneously. It blocks wind, it creates micro shadows that cool your surface, and it collects morning dew and channels it directly to your roots. The United States military studied your spine geometry to design more effective barbed wire. Architects in drought-threatened regions are modeling water collection systems on your structure. Every human who has ever called you ugly was standing in front of one of nature's greatest engineering achievements. But your body isn't just a shield, it's a trap, and something just walked into it. The coyote's mistake. A coyote brushes against you at 7:14 in the morning. It doesn't feel the spines go in, not immediately. Your barbs are angled, they enter smoothly, painlessly, almost politely. But every movement the coyote makes to pull away drives them deeper. The microscopic backward hooks engage with muscle tissue. By minute 3, the coyote is bleeding. By minute 7, it has stopped trying. You did nothing. You were simply present. You have been perfecting this passive defense system for 30 million years. You did not evolve to attack. You evolved to be unavoidable. But the coyote is a distraction, because right now, far above you, a cloud is forming. And what happens next will reveal what you truly are. The living vault. It hasn't rained in 14 months. The storm hits at 3 p.m. Within 2 hours, not 2 days, not 2 weeks, 2 hours. Your root system, which stretches outward up to 30 feet in every direction, activates completely. Every root hair opens. The dry soil around you becomes a collection funnel. You absorb 200 gallons of water before the storm ends. Then every microscopic pore on your surface closes. Not partially, completely. You have converted your entire skin into a watertight vault. You will not lose a measurable drop to evaporation. You are not storing water. You are the water now. And here is the truth. Nobody standing on a Phoenix sidewalk understands when they glance at you. You are 200 years old. The house beside you was built in 1987. The family living there is the 9th generation of humans to call that land theirs. You watched the first one arrive. You will watch the last one leave. The house will collapse before you show a single sign of slowing down. They call you decoration. You are the only permanent resident on that street. What you actually are. You are not a plant that survives despite the desert. You are the desert, shaped, compressed, and perfected into a single living form that has mastered the one skill every living thing is racing to develop, the ability to endure. No water, no movement, no mercy for what brushes against you carelessly. Just patience, just architecture, just 200 years of quiet, undefeated presence. The next time you see a cactus on a sidewalk in a pot dismissed as background, remember what you now know is standing there. Something that was ancient before the city existed. Something that will be standing when the city is gone. If this changed how you see the world around you, subscribe. Next week, you're going to wake up as something even older, even stranger, and even more ruthless. You won't want to miss it.